Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of exercise 7.7 of Chapter 7, Integrals, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 2. Exercise 7.7 integrates square roots of quadratics. 11 questions where completing the square routes each root to the inverse sine or logarithm formula. Here they are. Question 1. The root of 4 minus x squared, the inverse sine formula with a equal to 2, half x root plus half a squared inverse sine. Apply the standard formula directly. With a equal to 2. Question 2. A 4 on the x squared, substitute u equal to 2x first, then the same formula, with a equal to 1. The substitution halves the integral. Back in x. Question 3. Complete the square, a plus form, x plus 2 squared plus 2. The square completes with a squared equal to 2, using the plus formula with its log. Apply the u squared plus a squared formula with u as x plus 2. Question 4. Completing gives a minus form this time, x plus 2 squared minus 3. The square completes with minus 3, the u squared minus a squared formula. Half u root minus 3 halves log. Question 5. A downward quadratic, the inverse sine form, 5 minus x plus 2 squared. Complete the square with the negative leading sign. The a squared minus u squared formula with a squared 5. Question 6. Another minus form with a squared 9, x plus 2 squared minus 9. Complete the square. Half u root minus 9 halves log. Question 7. Downward again, with fractions in the completion. 13 quarters minus x minus 3 halves squared. Complete the square around 3 halves. The inverse sine form, with a as root 13 over 2. Question 8. No constant term, still just complete the square. X plus 3 halves squared minus 9 quarters. Complete the minus formula with a squared 9 quarters. Question 9. The last integration. Factor the 9th out of the root. A third of the root of 9 plus x squared. The root becomes 1/3 root of x squared plus 9. The plus formula with a equal to 3, scaled by a third. Question 10. Multiple choice. The pure plus formula with a equal to 1, half x root plus half log. Direct from the standard formula, option A. Question 11. The final one, multiple choice. Complete the square first. X minus 4 squared minus 9. The minus formula. The completion is x minus 4 squared minus 9, so the answer is half u root minus 9 halves log. Option D. That completes all 11 questions of exercise 7.7. In the next video, we will take up exercise 7.8 on evaluating definite integrals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to Math Tutorials, and share it with your friends.